Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on the Huawei Nova Y70. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's open it. From here find the files that you want to unpack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the camera.rar, so let's click on it. Now to unpack it, you'll need to press on this arrow pointing up, change any of these options, but it's not necessary. Go for the browse to pick the destinations where the files will go, and I wanted these files in the movies folder, so let's set that. After all is done, click on OK. Now this file is protected by a password, so we'll need to enter it. Click OK, and we've just unpacked 3 files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.